Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, I am so excited to have you and I hope that you keep coming back. My name is ANTHEA TATE-HARTE. Please don't forget to subscribe, to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know every time I post new content. Please watch this video till the end. Today I want to share with you guys a very quick way to curl your hair. It's going to take you about 10 minutes and you'll be done. It's perfect for when you're in a hurry. So guys, you will need a curling iron. I use this, it's from Safeway. It's a one-step curling iron. I've had it for about 6 years now and I love it. Using a hair tie, I am going to hold my hair up. Turn on your iron, make sure it's hot enough. In small sections, take small sections of your hair out. Like that, and start to curl it. Wait 2 seconds. And out. Do this for the rest of the hair. When you're done curling the hair, back there, open it, and if you want to part your hair, this is the time you do that and part your hair. It's time to emphasize the curls at the front and where the hair is parting. Just a little bit of hair and curl it. And here. And do the same on the other side. So guys, this is the end result. I really love it, and this is going to work very well for your wigs and your weaves too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and share, and also leave me a comment below. See you next time.